Alright, so what's going on, guys? Welcome back here to another video. In today's video, I want to show you guys a new little project I picked up. I don't know if I'm going to actually end up doing anything with this or if I'm going to just sell it, but got a sweet deal on this little John boat and just wanted to go ahead and show you guys. I know a lot of people are interested in these small John boat projects and stuff like that, and I'm going to show you guys how this one's rigged up. Picked it up off of Craigslist, then I picked up a little trolling motor for it. It's a nice little pond hopping setup that works perfect for getting into small waters. So I don't know if I'm gonna keep it around. I don't know, maybe I'll do something to it, nice project, maybe do a deck or something like that. But let me go ahead and show you guys what we're talking about here. Let's go. All right, guys, so here we have it, a nice little, it's a 10-foot John boat. So this boat is actually pretty old. This is the original color. It's I believe it's like 1989 or something like that. So it's a pretty old John boat, pretty classic, I would say. I picked up this Minn Kota 30-pound thrust trolling motor here for the back. It's perfect for this little small boat. I think I'll move it pretty nice. Nice little setup here. Nothing too fancy, very simple. As you can see, it's got 3 bench seats right here. So a lot of people, what they do is they put a deck up here in the front, which is something that you could do additionally, or you could just leave it open if some people like to have this empty space here. Works perfect for these small canals, small ponds, or anything like that around here. This would be a perfect little setup here. Check it out. Nice little Minn Kota trolling motor. I've had a lot of these trolling motors in the past, and a lot of people ask me how they work with these smaller boats. And for me, it has worked perfect. 12 volts, which is perfect. You don't have to be carrying around 2 batteries or anything like that. What I am going to probably do is, I don't like keeping the battery all the way back here. So I am probably going to move the battery up to the front of the boat and then run a new cable or wire all the way through. So if I'm sitting back here, all the weight is not back here. Another thing you might notice is, it looks like they did some repairs, the previous owners. It's a pretty old John boat, so the aluminum is kind of weak. And I think what probably happened is some cracking started to develop. So it's they ended up putting like some JB weld or something like that. I tried it out in my pool and it doesn't work. It doesn't leak or anything like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and keep it that way and use it like this until maybe a problem comes up. But as of right now, it works perfect. So check it out. Another thing I noticed on this, which I thought was pretty cool, is it doesn't have a drain plug, which is kind of weird. Maybe, I don't know, these smaller boats don't have a drain plug, but I've had 12 footers and they all had drain plugs, so I found that kind of weird. But maybe we'll go ahead and make one. I mean, it doesn't really bother me that much. As long as it doesn't leak, I don't have an issue with it. So yeah, there you guys go, man. Nice little project John boat here. I'm not sure if it's actually going to be a project. I don't know if I should call it a project, but for now, I think I'm just going to use it like this, maybe go out in a few times just the way it is, and we'll go from there. So let me know in the comment section below what you guys think and what we should do with this John boat here. Alright, guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed that quick little video there. I just wanted to share with you guys that new John boat I picked up. I think it's a nice little setup, and a lot of people could use something like this to get into local ponds, small lakes, small rivers, and stuff like that. So it's definitely something that's very easy and very simple to use, so anybody could do it. So figured I'd share it with you guys. Like I said, I'm not sure what I'm going to do with it. I'm not sure if I'm actually going to build it out and do an entire project series out of this, but I figured I'd do a little video before I sell it, before I do my next step with it, and share it with you guys. So thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Make sure to leave a thumbs up, comments in the comment section below. Make sure to let me know if you guys would want me to build this thing out, or any tips or advice you guys have if you had a 10-foot John boat like this. And as always, make sure to subscribe. Don't forget to check out realfinsflorida.com for kayak fishing charters, some blogs, and a little bit of other stuff in there. So make sure to check it out, and I'll see you guys in the next one.